is in a bad mood ever since losing the women's championship. And now she's going to take it out on Swat Cat. There's the death block. Will Swat Cat tap? Avenger immediately enters the vision of Lady Tigress as she broke the hold. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Oh my! Muerte! What's this? Oh my! Oh dear! Tigress! Are you serious? It's gonna fight him! Oh my!
Lucha Libre.
Chiva, the team captain for the Technicals, with Swat Cat, Lobo, Sagrado, and Avenger to do battle against team captain Payaso, Cocoliso, Lady Tigress, and the Pirates, Corsario, Negro, and Capitan Muerte. Here's the battle that has been one of the focal points of the LL team. For a matter of years, they started as friends, now they're bitter enemies. Cocoliso blamed for the injuries to Swat Cat, and Swat Cat fought back, and he is back in as good a shape as he's ever been to do battle against Payaso Cocoliso yet again. There have been threats of mass versus mass, and back not too long ago, Swat Cat made the claim that he would love to be the one to unmask Payaso Cocoliso for real, for good, forever. Take that mask away, take away his dignity, take away everything that he represents, reveal for the con artist that he is. But Payaso Cocoliso thinks that the true con artist is the Swat Cat, but he could not be any more wrong. Trying to break the arm and the shoulder of Swat Cat early. Had the rope break instituted by the official Dino Bravo for this one. Tempers can flare at any moment. 8-person tag team warrior. Brunos with a lot of firepower, strength, agility, speed. And Technicos, great rising stars. And Chiva as the backbone of the team with the 30-plus years of experience out of Mexico. You got to consider him the focal point. Technicos, but Lobo Sagrado has taken over matches and won matches in this building recently. And a lot of individuals would claim that he could indeed steal all the momentum for the Technicos and win this match on his own. Avenger has done some amazing things inside of this ring as well. In his short time in Lucha Libre Total, he has made an impact and a statement. Swat Cat going after the leg. Cocoliso now no way to escape. Try to get into the ropes, try to get out of the ring, nowhere to go. Capitan Muerte, very intimidating. Corsario, Negro, the power in the sides. Race, how will she bounce back? Former LLT Women's Champion. Her title was taken away by India Sue about 3 weeks ago in Waukegan. As she awaits what will potentially be a mandatory rematch for the title. Quick pinning attempt. Both individuals trying to jockey for position. Cocoliso on the run, drop kicks the leg muscle along the right-hand side of the Swat Cat. Bruno fans know who they want to win. Cocoliso, Tigress of the Pirates. And the clothesline is effective. Remember, 2 out of 3 falls in this one. It is a test of endurance. Cocoliso had the advantage in that exchange. We're going to see a new matchup. Capitan Muerte, the individual who caused the mask of one of the warriors of Lucha Libre Total recent memory. Avenger, top-notch luchador, just arrived on the scene. As he makes the statement, putting down Capitan Muerte first, but Muerte just getting warmed up, doing the push-ups with the claps on top of it. You can never blink when you see a match involving Capitan Muerte. He is capable of anything and everything very quickly. Snapping takedown, swept the leg out from underneath. There's the trapping submission. Already Muerte trying to make Avenger into a bunch of knots right here, as he has in the past. Nice counter, Avenger trying to use the submissions against Capitan Muerte, but Muerte's too strong. He's got the size advantage. Avenger with the speed. Counteracts, takes down Capitan Muerte, focuses on the left ankle. Tries to trap the legs, trying to go for a modified deathlock. Yes, the legs are trapped. Now will Capitan Muerte tap? Universal rules in effect. One slap does not count. You've got to tap multiple times. Counter elbow tie-up temporarily, underhooking armbar. Avenger trying to protect his right arm from being trapped. His shoulder is hurting here. Muerte over the shoulder, judo type throw. Down goes Avenger right there. There it is, straight jacket submission. Will he tap? Naruto standing up, right in the face of Chiva in case he interferes, and Muerte broke the hold. Could have had Avenger defeated right there. Avenger did not submit. Capitan Muerte so intense, the Captain Death of the ring, very intimidating with his body attacks, very lethal, and the money is a motivator. Crucifix pin, Avenger is able to escape. The Avenger is trying to send messages that harm will indeed be inflicted, and evil will be punished. He will take over matches, he will apply the takedowns in brute force and multiples. Will Chiva interfere and break this hold illegally? The Technicals have a difficult task on their hands in this one. Yes, Chiva with the chop. And Corsario invited to strike up against Avenger while he's in this hold. And Capitan Muerte had no choice. He was tired of having his leg out there for Chiva to strike upon. And now there is a bit of infighting between the Pirates. And when they've teamed up before, it has been chaos at times. Got a new matchup. Like Chiva hopes to plant his head deep into the folds of Corsario Negro. Swing and miss by the tall, powerful Corsario. Hip toss denied. Chase off the ropes. Chiva arm clamps him down. Chiva on the run. But Corsario picks up towards the seats. The referee just restored the stick to the leg. Capitan Muerte tripped on the ropes getting into the ring. As soon as Chiva enters the ring, stuff gets a little fishy at times. You never know when he'll hit a Lamai straw cradle and start pinning people on multiples. 30 plus years as a pro, but he brings the smiles and the laughter to the ring. Got a unique matchup on our hands. Lady Tigress, former LT Women's World Champion, just got taken off of her feet by Lobo. The sacred roll with the clothesline in the corner as Rock Lady Tigress. And Tigress, among multiple others, will be watching CML Mexico. See what happens with the LLT Women's Championship out there. Nice crossbody and press. There's the spinning elbow. What an elusive attack. The former Women's World Champion has been knocked silly as she rolls to the outside. Tigress trying to recover on the outside of the ring. Drop kicks by the Technicals denied. Cocoliso and Muerte moved out of the way. Watch out at the same time. Stereo head scissors. Down go the rules. Flying body attacks. Down go Cocoliso and Muerte to the outside. It's one-on-one. Lobo versus Corsario. Double leg takedown. Can Lobo make him tap? The figure four is on. Chiva tap dancing over Corsario. Corsario is being pinned here. Tigress just squashed Corsario. The Technicals have won the fall. Is Corsario the captain? Sagrado had that leg lock submission on Corsario. Corsario had a hard time standing up and getting up ever since he was squashed and stepped on by Tigress and Chiva, respectively. The Technicals were able to pile up and score the win. The Technicals up one fall on the opposition as Lobo checks on the ball and on the outside, who are all trying to strategize at this point. Rudos now behind. If they do not win this fall, they will lose this match. This is a must-win situation for Corsario is favoring his ribs. Avenger rushes in and gets tripped up out of nowhere. And now we got all sorts of chaos breaking down all of a sudden. Dino Bravo losing total control. Cocoliso and Avenger in one corner. Tigress has yanked and pulled down Swat on the near side. Chiva sent it to the post by Corsario. Straight right hand by Tigress, the Swat Cat in the front row by the Lucha fans. Chiva sent it to the post yet again. Muerte with a clothesline. Cocoliso sends Avenger into the corner. Repeatedly to the Swat Cat in front of La Puerta Ruda. Chiva's been wounded by Capitan Muerte. Head first into the drum again. Go Swat Cat. Lobo lands on his feet. Chiva put on the brakes before he almost got lofted into the crowd himself. Now this is all-out desperation by the Rudos. They know they have to cheat to win this ball. Otherwise, they will lose this match. They won't do anything to tie this. Cocoliso with the reverse chin lock as Swat can't give it up. Drum to the head of the Avenger. The legs have been straddled. Lobo's been violated. This is not right. Tigress has become unglued. She's using a megaphone to drop the Avenger in front of the fans. Cocoliso chases Chiva into the ring and Capitan Muerte with a fly-sided drop kick to the arm. Now Capitan Muerte's knocking La Chiva from afar. Who's the wild animal now? Muerte with the clothesline. 3-on-1 in the ring. The Technicals are in trouble on the floor trying to recover. Corsario's going for the press slam. Oh my! What a sickening thud on the way down. Muerte might fly next. Look how he flew 2/3 of the way across the ring, and he's been put away. Now he's heel kick. Swat Cat up in the air, drop badly with a spine buster. Triple team submission. Swat Cat with nowhere to go. His arms are trapped. He got pinned. 2 of the Technicals have been defeated. Sagrado, will he be the next to suffer a fall here? So many chops are being flung. It's 4 against 1 for heaven's sakes. Lobo Sagrado has retreated out of the ring. That the Rudo strategy will be to continue the 3-on-1 attack. And here we go again. All right, it's the third and deciding fall. Cocoliso will track and buy top. SWAT Cat shaking his head no. This isn't right. Now he's being pounded repeatedly with those mallets, with those drums. 4-on-1 in the ring. Chiva, the captain, has collapsed. This is a problem. The Heroes have taken over the ring. And, you know, the most obvious question at this point is if the referee can get a winner back in this match, will that indeed help or hurt the Heroes' cause? Now they want to go after the referee. Now, this is a problem. If you beat up the referee, you can get disqualified in the start of the deciding blow. You do not want to hurt Dino Bravo right now. You got what you want. You've got the technicals on the ropes. You have them second-guessing themselves and not working as a tandem, as a team. Where it takes Snapmare, take over, puts down SWAT Cat. SWAT Cat was able to divert the attention of the Heroes away from the referee. Quadruple drop kick. SWAT Cat has just experienced a bomb of abuse all over his body. Avenger versus Ford. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I know it's about learning the hard way and teaching some lessons, but this is getting ridiculous. There's such a thing as working harder and getting better. Not cheating all the time to win. This is getting silly. Avenger has been hurt. The Technicals not likely to bounce back at this point. Not now, not ever. When you're against 4-on-1 odds. Well, give credit to the Sacred Wolf. Oh, again. How does this happen? Repeatedly. Just when you think that someone's gaining momentum and has a chance to be a star, and then they get attacked by 4-on-1s. What is this? Well, let's see the Chiva the Goku. Chiva bouncing up and down, but immediately attacked again. This is our second to last match of the evening, Sunday night, December 15, 2024. Oh my! Tilt-a-whirl slam! The other three got tripped! We got fighting on the floor! SWAT Cat against Cocoliso on the left side. Straight into the pose. Goes Cocoliso. Chiva is isolated Capitan Muerte in the ring. Lobo. Straight right hand to Lady Tigress. Running attack with the head. Chiva's put that Muerte. The Avenger has flung his body into Cocoliso into the crowd. Tigress slid into the post very hard. The action's gotten very furious at this moment. The Technicals have a chance and they win it here. Oh, come on. The other pirate interfered. That wasn't right. It's supposed to be 1-on-1 in there. Super kick by Lobo to Corsario. Cocoliso blocks the vision of the official and a humiliating slap by the clown. Oh my! Snapping DDT. Lobo got dropped badly on his head. This could be it. SWAT Cat broke it up. So turnabout is fair play. You notice the Technicals now. Whenever they are at a disadvantage, they'll break a rule or two. Look at this neck cranking submission. Cocoliso's bent all out of shape. He nearly had his head snapped off. Well, Tigress wouldn't allow that to happen for very long. And Tigress is in a bad mood ever since losing the women's championship. And now she's going to take it out on SWAT Cat. There's the death block. Will SWAT Cat tap? Avenger immediately entered the vision of Lady Tigress as she broke the hold. Look at that! The arm drag by the Avenger! The Avenger starts to climb the ropes! Are you kidding me? Fly cross spot into the Tigress! Down she goes! far, did he? He got dropped very badly on his face on the edge of the ring. Oh my! Lobo Sagrado! Flying body attack to Corsario on the floor. Avenger with the assist.